Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my uh, space maths tutorial. So video we will try to solve some Laplace transform of some given function, like we will try and how we can solve some Laplace transform of a sine function and cos function. So if you have a given and they are asking to find that please solve this given function by use of a Laplace transform. So we will solve first question, uh, how we can find Laplace transform of sine 80. So from definition, you know that Laplace transform, if we have a given ft be a function and defined for all, here t will be positive, okay, t is always greater than 0. So Laplace transform of given function ft is equal to fs. This is the denotation of Laplace transform of ft, and we will write this in the form of 0 to infinity limit and e to the power minus st and f2. This is the standard. This is the standard form of Laplace transform, and we will put function given function ft, and then we will solve uh, the Laplace transform of given function. So one condition you should also keep in mind that the integration, this is the integral part, it it must exist, okay. So we have seen that what is the definition of Laplace transform. So now we will try to solve our first question. Our first question is given as ft equal to sine 80. So let ft equal to sine 80, okay. Let we have taken ft equal to sine 80, okay. So you can uh, you can solve ft equal to sine equity by, because you know sine 80, we can represent sine 80 in the form of e to the power I80 minus e to the power minus I80 upon 2i. So just put this value in here, okay, and try, because you know this is the ft, just put it this value, and this is the constant term, okay. You can take outside from the bracket, and by the linearity property of a Laplace transform, you can take Laplace transform of individual terms by using linearity property. And so here we have 1 upon 2i bracket Laplace transform of e to the power I80 minus Laplace transform of e to the power minus I80. So 1 by 2i, आगे हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, we will try to solve furthermore. 1 by 2i Laplace transform of ei80 equal to 1 upon s minus a, okay. Here this is the positive sign, so 1 upon, we can replace the minus a with ia, okay. So s equal to minus ia upon minus, and Laplace transform of e to the power minus I80 equal to 1 upon s plus ia, okay. And further we will solve, and we will simplify this. We can take LCM of uh, denominator part s minus ia and s plus ia, and we solve these fractions and we find s plus n. Then we will cancel out this term ss, because it is a positive terms and minus negative terms, it will cancel out, and we will get 2ia and 2 to cancel out, and I it also cancels. So we finally we get a upon s square plus a square. So Laplace transform of ft equal to sine 80 is, Laplace transform of ft equal to sine 80 is a upon s square plus a square. So this is our Laplace transform of our first question, that is ft equal to sine 80, okay. So we can easily solve this given function with the help of, you can follow this process and you can easily get your result that what is the Laplace transform of sine 80. So basically you can also memorize sine 80. Here is no any terms of s, so you can write that put this a is to here upon s square plus s square. You can memorize in this form. Okay, in this manner you can memorize. You can use other tricks for memorization. So it is a matter that how you memorize this formula. So you should memorize also this formula. This formula may be used in further our discussions. So our next question is ft equal to cos 80. Okay, so how we will solve? We will see ft equal to cos 80. Okay, so our next problem is L Laplace transform of cos 80. So Laplace transform of cos 80. So we can write also cos 80 in the form of e to the power I80 plus e to the power minus I80 upon 2. So apply linearity property 1 by 2. This is the constant term. So you can take outside. Okay, so you can take outside, and you can apply linearity property, and you have to find Laplace transform of e to the power I80 plus Laplace transform of e to the power minus I80. So if you solve further, so you will get 1 by 2 s per 1 by 2 bracket Laplace transform EI80. It is very similar in the previous problem. So 1 upon s, here positive sign, s minus IA, a negative sign 1 plus s by a. And if you simplify this problem, 1 by 2 s plus IA, you can take LCM of this given problem, this square plus a square, and you will cancel out these terms because this is the we cancel out, and we will get 2s, and 2 will cancel out by 2, and finally we will get s upon s square plus s square. So what is the result? So Laplace transform of cos 80, you can write s upon s square plus a square. You can easily memorize this is the here s term. Okay, so you can write s term here. In the case of cos, the sine term, you have to write, there is no sign in the sine term. In sine terms you have no any s term, so you can write in denominator part a. So we have learned how we can find Laplace transform of cos 80 and Laplace transform of sin 80. So that's all.